Every day, my company gets scam phishing emails trying to get money or sensitive info. I wanted to protect my employees and my clients, so I checked out CISA's Secure Our World. They've got simple ways we can protect our businesses from online threats. First, teach employees to recognize and report phishing. Next, require strong passwords plus multi-factor authentication. And finally, turn on automatic updates for your business software. To learn more, go to CISA at cisa.gov/Secure Our World.
Agenda, meeting. An agenda is a list of meeting activities. It shows the time, room and topic of each session. A session may be in the form of a workshop, panel discussion, seminar or conference and will typically end with a Q&A. An agenda may also be called a docket. Individual sessions should also have their internal agenda. Ideally, event organizers publish the agenda in advance and also provide a print copy at the event venue. A good agenda is not fully packed and allows adequate time for each speaker. It is equally important to allocate time for coffee breaks, meals and above all for networking. Because people do not only attend to listen, also to meet their peers and expand their network. Nevertheless, time management is always the responsibility of session chairs and/or moderators. Good chairpersons know how to keep the time well and also encourage the panelists to do so. Consider having more than one stream if your agenda would not fit into one day. Organizers are also advised to send meeting agenda to their interpreters in advance. Interpreters need time and content, presentations, to get prepared before the event. Please note that conference interpreters work in pairs and you will need 2 interpreters if your event is longer than 1 hour. You may need separate interpreter teams for consecutive interpreting during meals and functions or for additional evening programs.
Hello, it is Ryan, and I was on a flight the other day playing one of my favorite social spin slot games on ChumbaCasino.com. I looked over at the person sitting next to me, and you know what they were doing? They were also playing Chumba Casino. Coincidence? I think not. Everybody's loving having fun with it. Chumba Casino is home to hundreds of casino-style games that you can play for free anytime, anywhere, even at 30,000 feet. So sign up now at ChumbaCasino.com to claim your free welcome bonus. That's ChumbaCasino.com and live the Chumba life.
No purchase necessary. VGW Group. Void where prohibited by law. See terms and conditions. 18+.